Today we're at Ings, which is between Windermere and Kendal, and we've got a bungalow to softwash. It's a painted render, and you can see that algae is starting to stain the surface. Very green around here, and this gable end is particularly badly stained. There's a lot going on here. There's algae, mould, bacteria. And you can't just paint over the top of this because the algae will strike through the paint very soon after it's been painted, because it feeds off the nutrients in the paint. And we were recommended by a local painter and decorator to soft wash it, so at least it's then got a clean surface to then paint it at a later date. So very green at the front. In fact, all the walls are contaminated. Lichens down the bottom, and then this gable end is particularly bad, but we'll transform this. So let's see how we get on with this one. We've finished this property now, and I'll show you what it's looking like. It's really brightened it up. So all the green staining's gone. This side's particularly bad. And this side was bad. It's really brightened it up well. Well, we're very pleased with that. And if you enjoyed the video, please press the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.